Welcome to our detailed tutorial on setting up your personalized email signature directly in Gmail. Start by clicking the gear icon at the top right of your Gmail screen. Then, select See All Settings in the Quick Settings panel. Now scroll down to the Signature section and click Create New. Give your signature a name to identify it and click Create to proceed. It will help you organize your signatures, especially if you use multiple ones for different purposes. In the signature editor, paste the signature you've already designed. It could be the one we customized in our last session or a new one you've created following similar steps. To ensure your new signature appears correct, remove the blank space before and after it. Now scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Finally, let's make sure everything looks perfect. Click the Compose button to start a new message. In the bottom right corner, click on Insert Signature and select the one we've created. Your signature will automatically be added to the email. For a better view, you can expand the window to full screen. Send a test message to our email address. It is a great way to see your new signature in action, and we will be happy to know how you personalized it. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated a personalized email signature into your Gmail account. Your unique professional touch will now be present in every email you send. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. Remember, a consistent and creative email signature can significantly enhance the impact of your communication. If you have any questions, please leave your comments under this video.